Ndewo Igbo amaka ogadirigima afambu chidebere. The reason why I haven't been uploading recently is I entered year 10. There's a lot of stress and there's a lot of homework and there's a lot of exams, and I couldn't balance that with me doing YouTube and school. So I had to take an automation, which is school becomes first before YouTube. But now I'm back on my throne where I belong. So I'll be teaching you from February the 25th, 2023. The lesson will be fun and you'll enjoy it. See you on Saturday, guys. February the 25th, 2023. Keep it in your calendars. Bye.